Excellencies, the President, Prime Ministers, members of the Diplomatic Corps, officials of the Government of Kenya, na wananchi wote wa Kenya, hamjambo. We have come to say farewell to one of the great leaders of our country. A lot has already been said about President Daniel Toroitich arap Moi, and a lot more will be said tomorrow. But we want to say that he was one of the freedom fighters of our country, as has already been said. And he took over and became the second president of our republic. At a time when this country was going through a very major transition. He was human. He made great contributions. But like all the human beings, he had also his other weaknesses. We remember the great things that he did. For example, introducing universal primary education for our country, the free milk in school, the Nyayo, maziwa ya Nyayo, and trying to consolidate the unity among the people of Kenya. In doing so, he also made some mistakes. I was, for example, one of the victims. But he was also forgiving, like I'm also forgiving. And we made our peace, and we shook hands, and then worked together to give this country a new constitution. So we want to remember him for the good things that he did, which we want to carry forward as we move to try to unite our country, bring it together, and forget the other things, mistakes that he made as a human being. We want to use that experience to bring what we call the Building Bridges initiative. Kuleta wa Kenya wote pamoja. On behalf of the family of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, who served with Nyayo in the first Legislative Council as elected members in 1957, I'm here accompanied by my elder brother, Dr. Buru Oginga. We convey our condolences to the family of Daniel Toroitich arap Moi, and we say that may the Lord rest his soul in eternal peace. Thank you.